Receptive has a two-way integration with JIRA. When you're in the JIRA interface, you can add feature requests to tickets, and when you're inside Receptive, you can easily assign any JIRA issues to feature requests. The way it works is you just install an add-on. So you can see I'm logged into my JIRA instance here. Search for Receptive in the marketplace and you'll see it comes up. And just hit install. All done. And then you'll get this panel where you can then go on to manage the add-on. So if you go to Configure, this is where you can set up the Receptive add-on. It's at this point that a dialog box asking for your Receptive username and password will appear if you haven't already logged in. You will need a Receptive account to go any further. There's two sides to the configuration, and we'll take a look at Receptive first. So this is where you choose when an issue is created in JIRA. So if we take a look at a feature request in Receptive, you'll see that you can assign various states to it. In this case, I would like an issue to be created in JIRA when I move a feature to planned. So just select that here. Choose the default project that you'd like the issues to go into. Select your issue type. And then you simply need to state where the feature title and description should go. So this is your feature title in Receptive, and here is the description. And they're really easy to match up. I'll just choose them as summary and description and hit save. Now if we take a look at the JIRA tab, this is where you can choose for features in Receptive to automatically be released as a certain status is reached on the JIRA side. So in this case, I would like features to be released automatically when we have a status of done. So if we just hit save. We can take a look at the integration in action. So if you remember in the configuration, we chose that when we change a feature to planned in Receptive, a ticket will automatically be created in JIRA for us. So if we go to planned, you'll see as well as the usual response dialog, which goes out to all your customers and internal team members that followed the feature request, here is where the task is created. So here are the JIRA details, the default settings that you chose in the configuration of the add-on. When you hit Plan Feature, you'll see that the issue has been created just down here. You can add multiple JIRA issues to a feature in Receptive. So if you want to add a bit more, just hit Link Issue, start typing. Any issues that match will come up, and you just click Link Issue. And that's done. Clicking on any of the links takes you straight through to the issue in JIRA. And you'll see you've got the Receptive panel down here. This is the feature request we've just come from. And if you scroll down, you can easily link additional features. Just start typing, and again, it runs a search and you can just click link. It's really easy to unlink as well. Hit the button, it's all done. So if you remember in our add-on configuration, we chose that when an issue in JIRA is marked as done, it will automatically release the feature in Receptive for us. So we've marked that as done. If we go back into the linked feature, you'll see that this has now been released. And any customers and internal users who cared about that feature request will automatically have been notified.